But I like to smell their breath when they're puppies.
Oh, I love puppy breath.
I do too.
Most dog lovers do love puppy breath.
I just think it smells so sweet. It smells so sweet. Yeah, it does. I feel you back there. I feel you back there. I do. Yes, I do. Good dog. No tail.
They're really doing really well for being... I've just barely set them on the grass before when I've held them out here in the evenings, but yeah, they're trying to even walk on it without no problem. That's really awesome. Oh. There's one right behind you.
I know, I can feel them. You are too sweet.
Them big dogs is making too much racket, aren't they? Yeah.